Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Shaista Saddique, KNB Scholar 2024, and I hope you guys are doing great. So, as you know, recommendation letter from embassy is a must required document to apply for KNB scholarship. And for now, other countries like other than Pakistan, you might have already got your recommendation letter. But for Pakistan, you have to upload your documents on those Google Forms by 17th March, and after that, there will be a screening by embassy. They could conduct interviews as they conducted last year for us, or they might just straightforwardly start your send your recommendation letter after basic screening of documents. So wait for that, and meanwhile, you can apply on the online application, and also do your proper research on the universities and programs you want to apply for. I already have made a video on that, and I will put the link in the description box, and you can go through that how you have to select universities and what mistakes you should avoid while selecting university. So you have to click on apply now. So here you have to put your email here, and after that you will click on sign up. And once you do that, you will get an email in your inbox. There you will verify your email, and once you click on that link, open a new link or new dialog box. There you have to put your first name, middle name, last name, and after that just password and confirm password. If you put that, after that it will get successfully sign up, and once you do that, you just have to sign in. Here I will you just have to enter your email, password, and then sign in. And once you do that, there will be please create application to KNB. You have to for you guys it would be start application. For me it's continue because I was already working on it. So I will click on continue. So once you click on start application, it will take towards this application. Here it is personal information, academic information, university and study program, statement, and submit data. So here it's very basic information. For personal information, it's you have to put your country. Once you click on this dialog box, you can just enter name of your country, and after that your official passport number, and then your official passport document. For this, you can scan the first three documents of your passport, and it could vary for the countries. Like for Pakistan, we have important details for the first three pages because we have to do signature on third page, and so you should try to scan those three pages in a PDF, and then you can use this here. And after that you have to enter the expiry date of your passport. When does it actually expires? So you will enter that date here, and it must not be before like 2026 or 31st December 2026, because that's the least expiry date requirement, that you passport expiry date must be later than that. And after that you have to enter your date of birth, and here you have to enter your place of birth. So you on our passport, firstly we have the city name, and after that we have the country name, but it may vary for your country other than Pakistan. So you will just write your city and then country, because it could vary. It's not understood that you were born in that specific country where you have citizenship of. So you just write the city name, and then you will write country, and after that your marital status, either it is single, engaged, or married. So after that, you move towards the formal profile photo. So you will upload this. It must be like JPG file or PNG file. So after that, your home address, current address. I just have put the random details. And here for your mobile phone number, you will first enter your country code, and after that your number, and the same for alternate like phone number, and it must not be same, but it's optional if you want to enter, or if you want to skip, you can just skip that. These are the social media accounts. If you want to enter, you can, and you can also skip that. So after that, there is academic information, basic academic information. So once you see here, it's like academic information, and here it's scale 100, scale 4.0, or letter grade, whatever you want. So here, for those students who are applying for bachelors, because in Pakistan we have percentages, like total grades or total marks could vary, but so you will put your details here as a scale of 100. So for bachelor students you will select scale 100, or for the students who are applying for masters or PhD, we have our scores in CGPA. So I will enter this, and after that just enter your GPA score, the total, like with the three whatever total CGPA you have. And after that, if you are from an English speaking country, you will mark this, or if not, just leave this. And after that, English proficiency type. So here, either you can put IBT, TOEFL, or there is another TOEFL ITP, and then TOEIC and IELTS. And in others, you can just because if we leave this part, there will be an error, so you can just put on others, add others, and just you can put your proficiency level, either is B1, B2, or C1. Or if you have IELTS, so you can just click on IELTS and add your IELTS score. And after that, your last high school that you attended. So if you did your high school from any school, so you will enter that. But if you did your bachelor's from university, so this is where you have to mention your last educational institute. So after that you will add last study program. So if it was like for the bachelor's, it would be bachelor's of science in chemistry, or bachelor's of arts in whatever. And for the students who had their who are applying for bachelor's, you will have your higher secondary school certificate. And in that you will mention, is it pre-medical or is it pre-engineering, or just you can mention the courses that you studied. So or just intermediate, you can just write intermediate, and within that you can specific you can write study programs that you had, because for pre-medical we have biology, physics, and chemistry, and for pre-engineering we have physics, maths, chemistry. So this is how you can enter your subjects, so they know that what study programs, what majors or what specific courses that you took in your high school. And after that you have to upload IELTS or TOEFL certificate or other documents. In other, you can take it as other documents, and you can upload your English proficiency certificate in case you don't have IELTS or TOEFL. And after that, if you have Indonesian proficiency, you will upload that document. If in case you don't have it, you won't upload it, so you can leave it. So for the academic certificate and for a transcript, so for this, you will scan the first page and the back side, because that shows that your document is legalized by Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Other than that, you can show, because if just you scan the first page, it won't show that your document is legalized. So you must scan all these pages which can show that your document is legalized, and also the basic transcript which shows your grades and everything. So here, academic certificate, same, if front page and the back side, which shows that your document is legalized. An academic recommendation letter from your like any professor other than your research immediate research supervisor. And here you have to upload your recommendation letter from embassy. So after that you will either it is from consulate general or is it from embassy, you have to upload that recommendation letter here. For Pakistan, you might get it and you will get it later than or after 17th March, so you will have to wait for that. And here you will have to upload your immediate supervisor recommendation, or either if you're working, you will have to upload the recommendation from your employer. So after filling these all details, you will directly move towards the next part of the application. So once you move after filling the academic information, it is university and study program. So here you have to select two universities with the respective program. So you will have to do proper research on which universities you want to apply, because that's the most important part which creates the difference of your selection or rejection. So selection and rejection is a part of application, but you must put your 100%. And this is the only part which creates the difference, because otherwise KNB scholarship application is quite simple. And so it's not like you have to work really hard on motivation letter or documents like this. So the only part that creates a difference is university selection and like even program as well. So if you want to choose, like let's suppose if you are applying for you had your bachelor's in physics. So last year, one of the students got selected in a master's in astronomy, though he had his bachelor's in physics. He also got selected for astronomy. So you can look for the program you want to apply on the basis of your previous degree. So here you have to select your degree. I am applying for a master's. So here, from this KNB guidebook, you can select the universities. I already have made a video on that. You can look for it. I will share the link in the description box. And after that, you have to select first university for the program of chemistry. I look for two options, so I'm choosing those. And here chemistry, and after that there was this university which provides this major for masters. Yeah. So after selecting the universities and programs, you have to save and move forward. So here it is personal statement. You just have to go through all these statements. You can read those and just click on this that you agree with this, and after that you just move next. And for the medical history statement questions, you can mark all as no, and then click on the next after this. And here your all the information is now entered successfully, and the only thing that you have to do now is just draw your signature here. You can use laptop, like you through mouse, or either you can use you can log in your application on your phone and do your e-signature on that. And then you can also use clear and draw again option, and then this is where you will just submit your document or submit your application form. So the only thing that creates difference, or only point that creates difference in KNB scholarship application, is university and program selection. So you must choose those universities very wisely according to your profile. I have made a video on that, and you must go through that video before choosing universities and programs. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you need any additional information or have any query, you can put your questions in the comment box. So that was from my side. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.